Upgrade your scrambled eggs with this Greek twist, so creamy and flavorful. Eggs, feta cheese, cherry tomatoes, spinach, olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper. Heat olive oil, then sauté garlic, tomatoes, and spinach until soft and fragrant. Pour in beaten eggs and gently scramble on low heat for a creamy texture. Add crumbled feta and let it melt slightly into the eggs. Rich, creamy, and packed with Mediterranean flavor. Save this for breakfast and follow for more easy recipes. Stop using butter. Make your scrambled eggs with pesto instead. Eggs, pesto, cherry tomatoes, feta or Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper. Heat a spoon of pesto in a pan instead of oil or butter. Pour in beaten eggs and gently scramble on low heat for a creamy texture. Add tomatoes and cheese, letting everything melt together. Herby, creamy, and packed with flavor, this is a game changer. Save this and follow for more quick breakfast ideas. Spicy chorizo plus creamy eggs. This breakfast is next level. Eggs, chorizo, onion, garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, and fresh herbs. Cook the chorizo in a pan until crispy and releasing all those flavorful oils. Add onion and garlic and sauté until soft and fragrant. Pour in beaten eggs and gently scramble everything together. Finish with fresh herbs for a fresh, vibrant touch. Rich, spicy, and packed with flavor, perfect start to your day. Turn your breakfast into a luxury meal with lobster scrambled eggs. Eggs, cooked lobster meat, butter, cream, chives, salt, and pepper. Melt butter in a pan, then add chunks of lobster and warm them gently. Pour in eggs with a splash of cream and slowly scramble on low heat. Keep stirring gently for soft, creamy eggs. Don't rush it. Finish with fresh chives and a touch of butter for extra richness. Creamy, buttery, and loaded with lobster, next-level breakfast. Juicy, spicy Cajun salmon, ready in under 10 minutes. Salmon fillets, Cajun seasoning, olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, salt, pepper, and lemon. Rub the salmon with olive oil, then coat generously with Cajun seasoning and spices. Place in the air fryer and cook at 400 degrees 200 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes until perfectly cooked. Squeeze fresh lemon juice on top for that perfect finish. Flaky, juicy, and packed with bold Cajun flavor. Save this recipe and follow for more easy air fryer meals. Healthy, colorful, and packed with flavor, this Mediterranean chicken is a must-try. Place chicken on a sheet pan with cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, and red onions. Drizzle with olive oil and season with garlic, oregano, salt, and pepper. Add olives and a squeeze of fresh lemon for that Mediterranean touch. Toss everything together so the flavors blend perfectly. Roast in the oven until the chicken is juicy and golden. Watch those veggies caramelize beautifully. Simple, healthy, and delicious. Your perfect weeknight dinner. If you love banana pudding, this cake will blow your mind. Bake a soft vanilla cake and let it cool completely. Poke holes all over the cake using a fork or skewer. Pour creamy banana pudding over the cake, letting it soak in. Top with whipped cream and smooth it evenly. Add banana slices and crushed vanilla wafers on top. Chill until set and perfectly creamy. Sweet, creamy, and irresistible, your new favorite dessert. This roasted eggplant pasticcio is Greek comfort food like you've never tasted before. Start by slicing fresh eggplants and brushing them lightly with olive oil. Roast until soft and golden. This adds deep, smoky flavor. In a pan, cook ground beef with onions and garlic. Add crushed tomatoes, cinnamon, oregano, salt, and pepper for that authentic Greek taste. Now layer roasted eggplant, the rich meat sauce, and cooked pasta in a baking dish. Top it with a creamy bechamel sauce and a sprinkle of grated cheese. Bake until golden, bubbly, and beautifully set. Let it rest, slice it up, and enjoy layers of creamy, savory perfection. Want the easiest, juiciest tacos ever? Let's make slow cooker chicken tacos. You'll need chicken breasts, taco seasoning, salsa, garlic, and lime juice. Place chicken in the slow cooker, then add seasoning, salsa, garlic, and a squeeze of lime. Cook on low for 6 to 7 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours until tender. Shred the chicken right in the pot and mix it with those flavorful juices. Fill warm tortillas and top with cheese, lettuce, and sour cream. Simple, juicy, and packed with flavor, enjoy your tacos.